Hello students, I welcome you on your very own YouTube channel Manoj Jangir Classes, and the question which we are going to discuss today, it's going to be very important question as per CBSE examination. So according to CBSE's point of view, it is a very important question, and you all need to understand, you all need to know the answer, that whether the point is debate over subsidies to farmers. So whether we need to give the subsidies, whether the government need to give subsidies or not. If we talk about debate over subsidies, then there are some economists, those who are in favor of subsidies, and there are some economists, those who are against it. So before telling you anything, I just want to give you some of the pointers here so that you people will be able to understand. Some economists are there, those who are against it, because they are saying that it creates huge burden on government finances. Huge burden on government, or you can say government finances. Government के लिए loss को increase करती है. Why? Because if once you have given the subsidies and the farmers are able to observe that their output, their product is increasing, then they will be obviously automatically start following the high yielding variety seeds or new technology. So once it is given, then it's okay, but we should not continue this. So this is the first thing. Then somewhere some of the economists are saying that it is misappropriated benefits. This is, let me write it, this is misappropriated. It simply means that basically, this high yielding technology is basically used by the big farmers. And somewhere, if we talk about, then all those people who are from prosperous regions, all those farmers who are big enough, they are using such kind of things, and they are the beneficiaries, and the targeted beneficiaries are left behind. We started giving these facilities to the poor farmers so that they can use them and they can get the profit, but actually these benefits are reaped by the big farmers. I think they can purchase such kind of high yielding variety seeds at higher prices in the market, because they are getting the benefits. So there is no big deal in such kind of things. Another thing is wasteful consumption. What do you mean by wasteful consumption? Let me explain. So subsidies actually do not allow market price to dictate the supply of goods. So availability of supplies at low price leads to wasteful consumption. अगर आप किसी चीज का कम प्राइस रख के मार्केट में बेचते हैं, सस्ते में मिल जाती है, तो लोग उसका फायदा नहीं उठाते हैं. फ्री में मिल जाती है, तो they would like to, they would not care that particular thing. I just remember one particular incident इसी wasteful consumption पे आपको बता रहा हूँ. एक पर्सन था जिसने बेसिकली एक फ्लावर वेस्ट खरीदा. आप कह सकते हैं कोई गमला काइंड ऑफ खरीदा, या फिर कुछ इस तरीके से कह सकते हैं. तो उसने उसको खरीदा, मतलब लोकली कहीं पे जो फुटपाथ वगैरह पे बेचते हैं, रेड लाइट पे. ही परचेज इट फॉर ₹50. And when he was just buying something from a shop, and he said कि अच्छा ये फ्लावर वास कितने का है. तो द कंसर्न पर्सन सेड ये 500 रुपए का है. तो उस पर्सन ने कहा मैं तो ये 50 रुपए का लेके आया हूँ. तो द शॉपकीपर सेड कि ये 50 रुपए का ये टूट जाता है, ये 500 रुपए वाला ये टूटता नहीं है. ही सेड कैसी बातें कर रहे हो, कि कहते आप पहले इसको फेंक के देखो. तो ही जस्ट वो एकदम से शो करने के लिए उसने जल्दी से हाथ से छोड़ दिया, और वो टूट गया, बिकॉज सैरामिक जो है आइटम था वो. अब ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी ही सेड कि अब मुझे आपके वाला टेस्ट करके दिखाओ. कहते मैं टेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, यू टेस्ट इट. तो ही सेड कि चलो ठीक है. तो शॉपकीपर आस्क्ड कि भाई ठीक है, मुझे 500 रुपए दो आप, फिर मैं आपको देता हूँ, आप टेस्ट करिए. सो ही सोल्ड दैट आइटम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. अब उसने 500 रुपए दे दिए शॉपकीपर को. नाउ ही कैन नॉट ब्रेक दैट आइटम. वाई? बिकॉज उसके 500 रुपए चले जाएंगे. तो आई मीन टू से कि जब किसी चीज के लिए आप पैसे देते हो और वो बड़ा सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट होता है, In that case, you start caring about that particular thing. Otherwise, आप ये सोचते हो तो free fund के जाने दो. So wasteful consumption you can understand in the same manner. I hope so. This story, uh, somewhere I made you understand that what I want to say. Then there are some people, those who always say that we need to help the farmers, the poor farmers. So to help the poor farmers, we need to give the subsidies to them. उनको मिलनी चाहिए. They also say one particular thing that, the big farmers are able to, like, if we'll give the subsidies to the poor farmers, it will decrease in income inequality. जो income की inequality है, that will also go down. Why? Because if your equality, अगर आप ये poor farmers को दे रहे हैं, they will start producing something extra, they'll start getting something extra output, and because of that their situation will improve. So they are in a favor that okay, subsidies should be like we can bring out the middle way somewhere कि देनी चाहिए नहीं देनी चाहिए. So very simple thing is that subsidies should be given to those people, those farmers who actually deserve them, the poor farmers. ऐसे ही किसी को नहीं देनी चाहिए. So आगे बात कर लेते हैं क्या कुछ हमने स्लाइड्स में इंक्लूड किया है नहीं किया है. So the economic justification of subsidies in agriculture is at presently a hotly debated question. It is generally agreed that it was necessary to use subsidies, देनी चाहिए, to provide an incentive for the adoption of new high yielding variety technology by farmers in general and small farmers in particular. सबको देनी चाहिए सब्सिडी पहले तो in the initial phase, and then specifically government should give subsidies to the small farmers so that they can reap the benefits of high yielding variety technology, because they are not having that much resources, the financial resources that they can bear that particular thing. The next point is, it is argued that there is no case for continuing with the fertilizers subsidies. कि fertilizer subsidies नहीं देनी चाहिए. It does not benefit the target group. अगर ये target group को benefit नहीं करती है, it is a huge burden on the government finances. Hence, it must be eliminated. ये जो है it must be eliminated. इसको हटा देना चाहिए. कोई देने का फायदा नहीं है. ये इसके against कुछ arguments थे जो which I have presented here. You people are able to read them as well. On the contrary, if we talk about then why should we give this subsidies? So basically, but at the same time, it is also argued that eliminating subsidies will increase the inequality among the farmers between the rich farmers and poor farmers. The rich farmers would be able to afford, the rich farmers would be able to buy them, the rich farmers would be able to buy the new technology, but the poor farmers would not be able to get it. And as a goal, as a long-term goal of equality of income, the government should give this subsidy to the poor farmers. These experts argue, experts बोलते हैं, बताते हैं that if subsidies are largely benefiting the fertilizers industries and big farmers, कि नहीं देना चाहिए इसको. अगर यहाँ पर बेसिकली उनको पुअर फार्मर्स को जरूर देना चाहिए. अगर नहीं देते हैं तो इट विल वायलेट द गोल ऑफ इक्विटी among the farmers. These experts argue that if subsidies are largely benefiting the fertilizers industries and big farmers, अब सही तरीके से क्या होना चाहिए इसका? So the correct policy is not to abolish subsidies, कि subsidies को खत्म मत करो. This is the middle way out, which you can consider right now, but to take steps to ensure that only the poor farmers enjoy the benefits. कि poor farmers को इसका benefit मिले. That's what the government wants. That's what the government should do. Inequality भी कम होगी इनकम की. जो टारगेटेड ग्रुप है उसी को इसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा. Big farmers can purchase it from the market, and this is how these subsidies should be the subsidies should be provided basically. So this is how the things should happen, and इस तरीके से चीजें होनी चाहिए. This is all about debate over subsidies to farmers. Farmers को subsidies देनी चाहिए, नहीं देनी चाहिए, remove कर देनी चाहिए, नहीं करनी चाहिए. So I have answered your all the questions here, and if you need some more videos, you can check the card section, or you can check the description given below, and you will be able to find out some more videos related to this topic. Thank you so much, all of you, for watching this video, and see you in your next class, next video. Till then, keep watching Manoj Jangir classes. Thank you so much, all of you.